Good morning, students. Now we have learned about the close packing of the atoms, of the constituent atoms. Now the next topic is packing efficiency. Now what do you mean by packing efficiency? Percentage of total space occupied by the particles per unit cell. Means इस unit cell में spheres ने कितनी space occupy की है? The percentage space occupied within this unit cell is known as packing efficiency. So we will calculate packing efficiency in all the types of unit cells one by one. Firstly, we will calculate in simple cubic unit cell. So calculate along with me. Okay, so you have to write on your notebook. Simple cubic unit cell is primitive unit cell in which the constituent particles are present at only corners. सिर्फ corners पे present हैं. Okay. Now we have to show the close packing. Means जितना possible हो सकता है इन्होंने ये जो spheres है they will come close to each other. So you can see here these will come close to each other as is. You can say this is the top view of this unit cell. Okay. You have to omit these lines. Now, R is the radius of sphere. So, this is the edge length. Okay, it means the distance between these two spheres. That will be the edge length A. So, A will be equal to A is the edge length of the unit cell. Radius of sphere is R. So, A will be equal to 2R. Now, in case of simple unit cell, number of sphere per unit cell. 8 into 1 by 8 that is equal to 1. This we have done. Now volume of sphere. यहाँ पे हम atoms को क्या ले रहे हैं? Sphere ले रहे हैं. Then the volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cube will be equal to a cube. That will be equal to, now we are having a is equal to 2r. So we will put the value 2r here. So you will get 8 r cube, volume of cube. Now the fraction occupied, fraction of molecules occupied per unit cell, that will be equal to number of spheres into volume of sphere upon volume of unit cell. Now number of sphere is equal to 1 for simple unit cell. Now volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell is 8 r cube. So this will be equal to pi by 6. So you will put the value of pi here, 22 by 7. You will get 0.524. This is the fraction occupied. Now if you will calculate percentage, the percentage occupied, that will be 52.4%. So this is the packing efficiency, means how efficiently these spheres occupy the space in this unit cell. इसका मतलब है कि अगर हम टोटल जो इसका वॉल्यूम है हम 100 ले रहे हैं तो 100 में से स्फीयर्स ने कितनी जगह ऑक्यूपाई की है? दैट इज 52.4%, almost 50% you can say. Okay, so this is the packing efficiency for simple cubic unit cell. Now we will calculate for face centered cubic unit cell. Next is face centered cubic structure. This is also known as FCC, face centered cubic structure. Okay, you will draw the structure like this. In FCC, at the corners, 8 corners, Along with that, at the center of each face, we are having 6 faces. Okay, so now you can draw the top view of this unit cell to show the close packing here. Okay, we are having, this is the face center that will make a little bit distance between these two spheres. Okay, now this is edge length A. Now AC will be equal to, radius is R, this is 2R, this is R, so total it will be 4R. So you have to calculate A firstly, edge length. Now take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, now AC is equal to 4R, AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB and BC both are edge length, that is A, so we will put here A square plus A square, that is equal to under root 2 A square, that will be equal to under root 2A. Okay, so AC is equal to under root 2A. Now AC, we know that AC is equal to 4R. AC is equal to 4R. It means you can write down here 4R is equal to under root 2A. So A will be equal to 4 by under root 2R. Clear? This is the relationship between edge length and radius of sphere. Clear? Now volume of unit cell. Unit cell का volume क्या होगा? A cube. A is 4 by under root 2R. Put the value of A here. Now number of spheres in unit cell. Number of spheres in unit cell. Now in FCC number of spheres will be equal to, एक तो हम कह रहे हैं कि corners पे है, corners पे क्या हो गया 1 by 8 into 1 by 8 plus faces कितने हैं 6 faces हैं, contribution क्या है face की 1 by 2, so that will be equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Now volume of sphere will be equal to, sphere का volume क्या होता है 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here volume of unit cell is equal to A cube, that will be equal to, put the value of A, 4 by under root 2R cube, it will be by 2 under root 2, यही आएगा ना, okay, R cube 2, it will be 32. Okay, now put all these value in the formula. Fraction occupied is equal to number of spheres into volume of sphere upon volume of unit cell. Number of spheres are 4, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube upon volume of unit cell, that is A cube, that will be 32 by under root 2 r cube. Now solve this, you will get 0.74. This is the fraction occupied and the percentage occupied will be equal to 74%. Clear? So in FCC इस पूरे यूनिट सेल में जितना वॉल्यूम है उस वॉल्यूम में से इन स्फीयर्स ने कितना वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई किया है, that is 74%. It means it is larger than simple cubic unit cell. Clear? One thing more, now CCP is same as FCC and we know that HCP and CCP are equally efficient, hence HCP, CCP and FCC तीनों की जो पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी है that will be 74%. Clear? Now next move to body centered. In body centered cubic structure, that is BCC, okay, body centered में क्या है? Atoms are present at the corners. Along with that, in the center of body, this is body centered cubic structure. Okay, we will take this triangle A C D. So we have to find out here edge length CD. But for that, firstly we have to calculate AC, क्योंकि हमें ये दोनों नहीं पता है AC and AD. Clear? So firstly we will calculate AC from the triangle ABC. This triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle. This is hypotenuse. Okay, so that will be equal to under root of AB square plus BC square. So in triangle ABC, AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, now AB is A square plus BC is A square. So you will get under root 2A. Clear? Under root 2A. Now in triangle, यहाँ से हमने AC find out कर लिया. Now in triangle ACD, AD is equal to under root of AC square plus CD. Now AC is under root 2A. CD is equal to, CD is A, edge length, A square. So it will be 2A square plus A square. So this will be 3A square. So it will be under root 3A. So AD is equal to under root 3A. Now AD is equal to 4R. जब आप इसको closely packed देखोगे तो when these are in direct contact, so you will get AD is equal to 4R. So here AD is equal to 4R, that is equal to under root 3A. So A will be equal to 4 by under root 3R. Okay, so volume of unit cell, that is A cube, that will be equal to 4 by under root 3R cube. Clear? Now number of spheres per unit cell. In BCC, what is the number of spheres? कितने होते हैं atoms? That is equal to at the corners 8 into 1 by 8. In the body center में contribution क्या है? 1. So total 2. Number of spheres is equal to 2. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now put the formula. Fraction occupied is equal to number of sphere into volume of sphere upon volume of unit cell. That will be equal to number of sphere कितने हैं? 2 हैं. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell, that is equal to 4 under root 3 r cube. Now put all the values here. R will be cancelled out. Okay, so you will get fraction occupied is equal to 0.68. Okay, and the percentage will be 68%. So the total fraction of spheres occupied, that is 68%. Okay, तो हमने तीनों में किया है. In simple 52.4, in FCC 74, and in this body center 68%. It means in which case it is highest? It is highest in case of FCC, face centered cubic structure. Clear?